I'm on a number of task forces that have actually connected with Washington State and New York and California, and there was clearly a need recognized early in the pandemic that there was a challenge in getting testing in a reliable and expeditious manner. And so as a result, I started, probably 2 or 3 weeks ago, thinking about how we might be able to leverage that knowledge before it became a critical emergency to try to create a program that we might be able to stand up here in Central Ohio. We had a patient a week or so ago, before we really had implemented this program, that we went to try to want to get a culture on, or a swab on, and it ended up taking 7 or 8 calls before we figured out how best to do it. And the concern was that we were going to get to this place of surge in our community that we just wouldn't have time to be making 7 or 8 calls to try to figure out the correct method to doing that.
Where a facility would just have to call the phone number and we could dispatch a team out to test that patient, deliver the specimen to the Ohio Department of Health, have it tested, and then from there are procedures and protocols in place to respond to a potential positive or negative case.
It was really in collaboration with the Columbus Public Health Department, the hospital chief medical officers, the Franklin County Health Department, as well as Ohio Department of Health, the chief of infectious disease there, that we kind of envisioned what this program might entail.
Our goal is to launch this by the end of this week within Franklin County. And so we've already lined up the resources we need to facilitate the testing within Franklin County. We've got all of those big pieces in place, and now we're just working on the final details and training and working out the wrinkles so that we can launch this hopefully by close of business Friday, which would result in a communication going out to all of the potential skilled nursing facilities, assisted living facilities, to let them know that this service is available. And in parallel to that, we'll be onboarding the additional resources in the surrounding contiguous counties adjacent to Franklin County to hopefully launch in the following days in those counties as well.